Here I have VIVO IQOO U3, and today I'm going to show you how to perform virus scan on this device. So firstly you have to open iManager application, which you have pre-installed on your device. Then go to the security scan, and after that it will automatically scan all of your apps, accounts and stuff for security measures, and yeah, that's how you can easily perform it. As you can see, my device is fully secure. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.